So I recently purchased a 1889 straight pull Swiss rifle from JG Sales. This is one of the Swiss rifles that have kind of made the rounds in all the Milsurp retailers, and it's an antique, so it can ship to your door depending on your local laws. So it took about a week to get here from the time I ordered it, so pretty quick. Shipped it via FedEx, and it does look like there's a little cut in the package, so hopefully it wasn't dropped or anything, but it does have an internal sleeve, so I don't think there's any damage. So I'm looking forward to see what I got, and I'll go ahead and open it up. I took off the outer box and got the inner sleeve out. Just kind of wanted to show you what that looked like. It's a thin cardboard box. Looks like it does have a bit of damage here in the box, so hopefully it didn't get a rifle in there. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so I got it all unpacked. Let's take a closer look at it. Starting with the butt here, you can see it looks like it's pretty nice shape. Got a little cartouche there. We're curious to see if there's a soldier tag under the butt plate. Also has a sling, which came attached. Does look like it's in pretty good shape. There's a little chip here missing from the wood, but I don't think that was during shipping. I didn't see any wood in the box, so it could have just been storage. Go ahead and turn over. See the other side of the buttstock here. Looks really nice. Got that nice grain here. Let's start to see some of the serial numbers. So it looks like the butt plates, as well as the magazine, the barrel and the receiver all match. You can see the bolt came packed separately. Came in like a FedEx bag. Serial number matches, and I'm glad they did that because a lot of times this part can get easily cracked or broken, especially during shipping. It's actually in really nice shape. You can see it has that gnarly rear sight here. It's got some pretty ambitious distance markings there. And moving down the stock, you can see it's got another chip there on the end, but again, it's probably during storage. So overall, this rifle's in really nice shape. Got a really cool little cartouche there. Just needs a little bit of a cleaning. Go ahead and take a look at the bore. So as you can see, the bore looks pretty nice. It's just dirty. So once I clean it up, looks like it'll be a nice mirror bore that's pretty typical with these Swiss rifles. Now you can't fire the more modern cartridges out of this rifle. It is the antique, and if you try to shoot the modern cartridges out of there, you can have problems with that since it can't handle the pressures involved in those cartridges. So usually if you get these, it's probably going to be a wall hanger unless you make your own reloads. Not really planning on shooting this much, if at all. Just mainly got it to finish out the collection. So this is just a quick unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll take this apart, clean it up, get a follow-up video up here pretty soon on how it looks after cleaning. I suspect it'll look pretty nice. So if you'd like to see that, feel free to subscribe and sign up for alerts. I have a few more videos coming out. I still have 2 Steyrs that I'm cleaning up that are looking like they're gonna be pretty good shooters. They got from Old Tiger Import. Should be coming out here pretty soon. Plan to do another video here in the near future where I pull out all the Swiss rifles and my collection and just do kind of like a comparison video of what's out there on the market, and that should be out here pretty soon. If you have any questions about this rifle, feel free to drop them in the comments, and as always, thank you for watching.